鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変の宿りを結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らんあんたのために笑ってるふり上手になったわ古い公園で doll goes missing A thousand three lights and the world keeps twisting Wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces おとなしくおとなしくおとなしく Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend Make me perfect Close the case Pose me right then hide your face Today Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend Pose my arms and twist my head Raise me soft with plastic eyes くるんでくるんで過去の中でずっと息潜めてたり
How long is this gonna take?
けられる日を待ってたでも開けてくれたあんたは中身より多分飲めた
So cute, babe. Is it 8? Let me wear my chashma.
अब आया ना लाइन पे
ばっか気にしてた黙ってる子が好きやねんて
So cute, my name is...
けど日々は履いている気づかれんよまた笑っといた古い公園で doll goes missing A thousand three lights and the world keeps twisting Wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces
There's something else inside there. Oh wow! There's something. What is it? So pretty. So pretty. I can wear it now.
Your face Today Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend Pose my arms and twist my head Praise me soft with plastic eyes くるんでくるんで過去の中でずっと息潜めて誰かに見つけられる日を待ってたでも開けてくれたあんたは中身より多分の値段ばっか気にしてた黙ってる子が好きやねんて撫でる手がちょっと冷たかったわれてへんけど日々は履いている気づかれんようにまた笑っといた古い公園で doll goes missing A thousand three lights and the world keeps twisting Wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces おとなしくおとなしくおとなしく Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend Make me perfect Close the case
birthday and I just recorded a video showing my favorites in a blanket haul. Guys, I'm enjoying this day. I'm loving it. I didn't find my birthday dress this time, so I was like, oh shit, I didn't even get a dress. So, anyways, but I'm really liking this. I shot like 2 YouTube videos. I know I'm crazy on my birthday. I like filming, but yeah. Now I'm watching my favorite K-drama. It's ongoing. It's lovely. I'm loving it. Beyond the Bar. I'll give a detailed review on that. I watch a lot of dramas and movies. So should I start reviewing it like every other person on the internet? Then you continue watching. Bye. I'm trying Diet Coke for the first time. Ooh. Ooh. Sure. It's the same. What's the difference? It's the same damn thing. Why do they call it Diet Coke? I have to check.